probably push start. Hey there, and welcome to the last video of the first phase of our course called Intro and Exploration. So far, you've set yourself up for success in the class and investigated a topic of your choosing that we'll use throughout the course of the semester. You've done some research to help you better understand the topic and its complexities, and now we need to use that information to help you plan for your empathy session. In this video, we're going to work on preparing for our empathy session with our end user, so stay tuned. Now, when you chose your topic, I told you that you needed to select one that gave you access to a specific end user throughout the semester. Some of you chose individual end users, while others chose multiple. Your goal is to now meet with that end user, observe them as they engage in your topic, and collect high-quality, emphasize high-quality empathy notes that we will later use to identify a real, genuine need. There's a few things on the checklist for this part of the process. You're going to need to figure out a time when you can meet with and observe your end user. I recommend at least 30 to 60 minutes of observation. This is more than we're used to, but the more you immerse yourself in observation, the more likely you're going to find something useful. Number two, you need to identify the things that you should pay attention to throughout your observation. Are you looking primarily at how they hold things, go about a process, interact with other objects, and so on? Or are you looking at the whole topic in general? If you have a large topic, it might be helpful to narrow it down so that way when you're looking, you can focus in during your observation. You'll use the knowledge you gain throughout your research to help you with this step. Third, you need to compile some questions that you might have so far about the topic and how it impacts your end user. For example, I ask my end users, remember I'm doing grocery shopping, about how frequently they go shopping and why, who normally does the shopping in their family, etc. The reason being is that I can learn more about the end user than I can observe them doing if I can't see how frequently they go to the store or who normally is the one going. So asking questions, good quality questions, can help provide more information as well. Once you've figured out these three things, you'll be ready to roll with the empathy phase. Start by contacting your end user. You can do it right now via text, phone call, or email to set up a date and time. You'll need to give me that day and time so that way I know you have one set. Then you can get to work figuring out the areas of focus and questions by following the Planning for Empathy document posted in Classroom. So that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.